Okay, we've got the G700 at full focus on the right and the SureFire on the left. SureFire does a pretty good job. When you really want to see those trees, so I mean, it's just like a TV screen moving in the dark. Now, it's just a little bit of light outside. I had to do it this way because otherwise the camera just wouldn't work at all, wouldn't focus properly. Here's the G700 widened out. So when I come out here and I want to see what's going on, open the door, I've got it wide like this. You can see how wide that beam is. Just pull it down. Cycle through the different modes. There's your SOS. And we're back on full power. And again, the camera just really doesn't do this justice, but hopefully you get an idea what's going on. And again, here's the SureFire. It's just, you know, the beam is what it is. You don't have as much of the diffusion up close that you might want, and you don't have as much of the focus power in the center. It's kind of just, you know, average throughout, I guess, in a way.